Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to start exercise 3.1, which is related to direct variation. So here we have a question about direct variation. There is direct variation between under root x and y when x is equal to 25 and y is equal to 5. Then find y when x is equal to 7 and find x when y is equal to 4. So here we have to write, first of all we have to write the variation, direct variation. So here if we have direct variation between y is directly proportional to under root x. So if we write equal to, so we will replace the direct variation by a constant k. So here we get k under root x. Now to find out the values of k, we can divide both sides by under root x. So we get y divided by under root square root x, right? So this is equation number 1, we can say. Now to put the values of x is equal to 25 and y is equal to 5, so we can get the values of k. So here we can put y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 25. So from here we get 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. So we get the values of k is equal to 1. Now to find out the values of y when x is equal to 7, so here we put we already got the values of k is 1 is equal to y divided by, if we here put the values of x is equal to 7, so from this we get the values of y is equal to under root 7, because we multiply both sides by under root 7, so this cancel and we get here under root 7. So it's the values of y. Now if we want to find out the values of x by putting the values of y is equal to 7 in equation number 1, so here we can put k is 1, which is equal to 4 divided by under root x. Here we have to find out the values of x, so we multiply both sides by under root x, so we get under root x is equal to 4. Now if we square both sides, so here square cancel with under root, so here we get x is equal to 4 square is 16. So this is the required values of y and x. Now we have one more question about direct variation. So there is direct variation between n and a plus 2 when n is 24 and a is 2. Find the values of n when a is 6, and another we have find the values of a when n is 54. So first of all we have to write the direct relation between n and a plus 2. So n is directly proportional to a plus 2, so we can write n is equal to k into a plus 2, where k is the proportionality constant. Now to find out the values of k, we can divide both sides by a plus 2, so we get n divided by a plus 2. This is equation number 1. So here we have to put the values of n and a. So we are given n is 24 and a is 2. So to put the values of a and n, so we get the values of k is 6. So we can write k is equal to 6. Now to find out the values of n when a is 6, so here we will put the values of a is 6, and we already got we already have the values of k is 6, so 6 is equal to n divided by 6 plus 2. If we put the values of a is 6, so we get 6 is equal to n divided by 6 plus 2. So if we multiply both sides by 8, so we get 6 multiply 8 is equal to n, and from here we get the values of n is equal to 48. Now to find out the values of a when n is 54, so we can put the values of n is 54, values of k is 6, and from here we can get the values of a. So 6 is equal to, so divide both sides by 6. Here we get 1 is equal to 54 divided by 6 into 1 over a plus 2. Now multiply both sides by a plus 2. So here this cancel, and from here we get 9 because a plus 2 is equal to 9. Now if we subtract 2 both sides, so this cancel with positive and negative cancel, and from here we get the values of a is equal to 7, which is the required solution of the given question.